Hello guys, so today we're going to be looking at the different features and functions on the Photoshop for mobile. So let's get started. So first of all, we have this from your photos or a new blank canvas. So you can either start editing a picture from your device or you can use a new canvas. So me, I'll use a new canvas. I'll use this Instagram Square. So note that you must not open your Photoshop mobile app with your data. You can use it offline, but if you want to use some special functions or features, you have to on your data. So we have this icon here, which is to add a layer. So we have empty layer, type layer, adjustment layer, and image layer. So I'm going to add an image. So you can either add image from your normal photos, which is your device. You can add from Adobe stock. So once I'm in my data, you see different stock images here, or you can add your image from just taking a photo. So I'm going to add from my device. So I think this is okay. So the document is placing. Okay, you tap on your picture and you drag it. Make sure you're dragging your picture and not the whole artboard. I'll drag it more. So like they said, this is a beta model of this Photoshop for mobile and they are still yet to add a lot of functions to it. Right, so I think this is okay. So the next thing I'm going to add my type layer. So I'm just going to put in text. I can say get started. So you can adjust your text by dragging the edge. So once you drag, you just hold it and move it. So press good. So you see text option here. From this text option, you can change the style of your text. You can change the font. There are different default fonts here. But I don't know how we can add our own fonts. I believe they'll add that in the future update. So you have your style, italic, bold, regular, and rest. So you have your size where you can adjust if you don't want to adjust manually. Then you also have color. You can use the slider or you tap on white here and you have your white color. So for now, there's no stroke. I don't know why there's no stroke, but I believe they'll add it in the future updates. So then we also have blend and opacity. You can also use irregular blend and opacity functions, screen, and the rest. Okay. So apart from that, you can also create a mask and you can transform. So you can skew by dragging, you can distort. So there are different just cool text options that you have there. But like I said, they are yet to add a lot of features to this. So the next thing I'm going to add, let us check out this adjustment layer. Okay, we have hue, saturation, and exposure. So you can change the hue, saturation of your image. You can see. So you also have colorize too. Yeah, colorize is cool. Alright, so I think that's it for hue and saturation. Then you also have brightness and contrast. Yes, and you also have exposure. We have offset, we have gamma here. So apart from that, you can also add an empty layer too. Note, if you look at this place, you can toggle it to see your different layers or the different things you've done. You get. Alright. So the next thing we're going to add, let me just add another image from my photo. So we use the blend option. So I'll use this. But I think I have to take it up. So I'll slide or select it, then take it up. Okay, yeah. So this I'll take it up. So I'll go to blend and opacity and go to screen. So there's something I noticed, just watch. So once I drag it out, I notice that we still have this here. So you just delete this. I don't know why it's like that. Delete this and you have your original image that you blend, you get. So just like this. So apart from that, we also have this retouch section. I think the retouch section is cool, where you can remove any object or image you don't want. So I'll show you an example. So let me just add a new image and show you an example. So I'll use this image still, but let me tap on it and drag it. For now, I've not seen an option to lock layers, which we are all used to on the main Photoshop for PC. But for now, let's see how it goes. So I want to select this, okay. So I'll drag. Alright, so I want to use the remove tool. So this is okay. So I'll go to retouch and go to remove. But I have to use my data for this. So I'll own my data. So I'll zoom in and select the area I want to remove. So sometimes I think it has to do with your speed of internet too. So it depends on how fast it will remove the image. So let me select these ones too and see how it's going to remove them. So I'll tap on remove. You can see it removes the ships in the water. So that's how the remove tool work. And I think the remove tool is cool. It's cool. Let's see the clone stamp. Select source area. Okay, maybe later you can check out to use the clone stamp, but the remove tool is cool. And the spot hue. Let me see the spot hue. Not bad, but I think for now the app still needs a lot of updates to get, and but basically it's a good improvement from Photoshop, at least, to have it on your app and on your phone. So do well to watch out for more updates from the Photoshop for mobile.